Welcome to next class. Yesterday we completed 23rd question also. So now 24, 25, 26 homework. 24, 25, 26 problems. Homework. Now 27th problem. See 27th. Statement type. Statement 1. The sum of 3 by 4 and the reciprocal of 4 by 7 is 5 by 2. First what we have to write? Reciprocal. Which one reciprocal they asked? Reciprocal of 4 by 7. 4 by 7 reciprocal what? 7 by 4. Then what we have to find? The sum of, with whose sum? 3 by 4 and what we have to add? Reciprocal of 4 by 7, what we get? 7 by 4. So their sum is how much? We have to get 5 by 2. So you have to do, see here, these two are what? Like fractions only. So what we have to add? 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 how much? 3 plus 7, 10. 10 by 4. 2 5s are 2 2s are 5 by 2. So we get 5 by 2 only. So what? So this statement is correct or not? So it is correct. Next statement 2. The reciprocal of A by B is B by A. So both statements are true. Option A. Tick it, option A. Both statements are true. Both statements are true. Both statements are true. Next to 28th problem. 28th problem. Comprehension type. 28th problem. 10 by x plus 6 by x plus 8 by x is equal to 2. Then the value of x. What we have to find? Value of x. We have to find x value. Here we have to go through options. See what they given. 10 by x, 6 by x, 8 by x. Denominators observe all x's are there, means like fractions. So x value is same. So which value if you place here in x place, the result you get 2. So first option, go through options here. First option what they given? 16. If you substitute 16, if x is equal to 16, then what you will get? 10 by 16 plus 6 by 16 plus 8 by 16. All are right like fractions. What we have to add? Only add numerators. What you will get? 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 8, 24 by 16. If you simplify, what you will get? 8 2s are 8 3s are 3 by 2. 3 by 2 result we get, but result how much we have to get? 2. So this is option A is wrong. Next option B. What they given? Option B 12. If x is equal to 12, then if you substitute x plus 12, what you will get? 10 by 12 plus 6 by 12 plus 8 by 12. All are like fractions. So 10 plus 6 plus 8. How much? 24. 24 by 12. 12 ones are 12 twos are. So answer 2. So which option is correct? Option B. So x value how much? Therefore x is equal to 12. This is 28th question. 29th. Observe 29th question. Observe 29th question. 10 by x plus 16 by x is simplified, then the answer is, already before answer x value how much we get? 12. So if you substitute 12, what you will get? 10 plus 16, 26 by 12. If you simplify this one, 2 6 are 2 13s are 13 by 6. If you convert into mixed fraction, 6 2s are 12, remainder 1. So 2 1 by 6. Which option is correct? 2 1 by 6. Option B. 2 1 by 6 answer. Next 30th question. 10 by x minus 8 by x plus 1 by 6. Simplify. Same x value, if you substitute x value 12, 10 by 12 minus 8 by 12 plus 1 by 6. 10 minus 8 by 12 plus 1 by 6. 10 minus 8 how much? 2. 2 by 12 plus 1 by 6. 2 by 12 if you simplify 1 by 6. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. 2 by 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are 1 by 3 answer. So which option is correct? Option C. Option C 1 by 3. Observe here. X value if you substitute 12, 10 minus 8, 2, 2 by 12 means 2 1s are 2 6 are 1 by 6, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 like fractions only no. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 by 6, 2 1s are 2 3s are 1 by 3. So answer 1 by 3. Next 30 problems completed. 24, 25, 26 problems homework like that. 31, 32, 33 problems also homework. 31, 32, 33 problems also today homework problems. 24, 25, 26, 31, 32, 36 problems homework. All of you have test book. Who didn't have test book? Once you write questions. See here questions. Daily work questions. 24th one. 24th one. Which of the following? Which of the following? Which of the following is a vulgar fraction? Is a vulgar fraction. So option A 3 by 15, option B 7 by 10, option C 1 3 by 4, option B D 12 by 100. So these are multiple correct answers, means options may be 2 or more you will get. 25th question. Which of the following is a mixed fraction? Which of the following is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction. See, option A 125 by 52, option B 221 by 52, options, sorry, not these options, 3 by 15, B 2 3 by 7, C 1 3 by 4, D 12 by 13. 12 by 13. 26th question. 6 1 by 4 divided by 2 3 by 5. Division of fractions already I explained. First mixed fractions you convert into improper fractions. After take reciprocal of this fraction, then you will get answer. Option A 125 by 52, option B 221 by 52, option C 2 into 52 plus 21 by 52, option D 25 by 4 into 5 by 13. Next one, 31st question. What fraction of the figure shaded? What fraction of the figure shaded? Figure like this they given. This one shaded and this one also shaded. This one shaded 5. Here also 5. Like this. So shaded fraction. Options 7 by 25, 8 by 25, 9 by 25, 2 by 5. Then next question, 32nd. One. Determine the fraction of the shaded parts in the given figure. Determine the fraction of the shaded parts. So here shaded. First two, these two shaded, and this one shaded, and these 3, and here 4. This 4 shaded. So options A 2 by 5, B 11 by 25, C 12 by 25, D 4 by 5. Last question, 33. Mixed fraction of 84 by 5. So here given improper fraction, you have to convert into mixed fraction. Do division with 5, 84. 14 4 by 5, 12 4 by 5, 16 4 by 5, 18 4 by 5. 18 4 by 5. So these are today's homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.